Hey everybody, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm letting you know that I'm going to be away at the Winter Carnival of Magic on Sunday. I'll be coming back actually on Sunday. This is a pre-recorded message, and I'm going to have lots of fun, and we're going to take lots of videos. You're going to get to see all those videos at another time. But right now, I'm just letting you know that I will not be posting the Sunday usual, which is the week in review. The week in review will be back. I will post that probably on Monday like I did this week. We had an interesting situation happen there. So the secret message or the secret whatever is going to be postponed to another time. But I'll tell you what, we're going to have fun again at the Winter Carnival of Magic. We're going to have lots of videos telling you all about it. It's in Pigeon Forge. Unfortunately, it's over this year, but you can come and see it next year, and you're going to see all the fun stuff that I was able to record. So again, this is the DIY Magician letting you know that I will not be posting the week in review today. I will probably do it tomorrow, which will be Monday. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time.